Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Cook Cook Cook. Hope you and your family are doing perfectly well. So, what we'll be cooking today is paripu vada, or the regular vadas that you get in most of the tea stalls. So, let's go and see how we can make a delicious and crispy paripu vada. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients that we'll be using to make our paripu vada. So the primary ingredient is the parip or the dal. So what we have here is 350 grams of tur dal and 350 grams of chana dal. And I have about 500 grams of finely chopped onions. I have 100 grams of finely chopped garlic, 100 grams of finely chopped ginger, a whole bunch of coriander leaves, and a handful of curry leaves chopped, both of these finely chopped, and about 10 green chilies. Even these are chopped. So along with this, we'll be using a little bit of saunf powder or fennel powder and some asafoetida powder and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using to make our paripu vada, and we will have to use oil to deep fry them. So now let's go and take a look at how we prepare the masala or the mix for our paripu vada. So our parp or the dal that we had, which was a mixture of chana dal and tur dal, has been ground in the mixie. So this has not been finely ground into a paste, but it is coarsely ground. So you can see that we have few of the grains of the dal as well in this. So into this, we will begin to add all of our other ingredients. So there is no particular sequence. We can just add all of them. So first I'm adding our onions, finely chopped onions. Next the finely chopped ginger, followed by our finely chopped garlic. Now I will add in our green chilies, then our chopped curry leaves. Next will be our finely chopped coriander. To this we can add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of saunf or fennel powder, half a teaspoon of asafoetida. We can now mix all of these well, that we have the mixture for our paripu vada ready. So once this is mixed well, it is ready to be flattened and deep fried in oil. So now that we have the right consistency of the mixture, we can get to frying it in the oil. So I have my kadai on the stove, into which we will pour in sufficient oil to deep fry our vadas. Once the oil is hot, we can start putting in our vada. So what I'll do here is just take a little quantity of the mixture, make it into a ball, and then flatten it. Alright, so we will have a vada of this shape, which can be gently put into the oil. So make sure to add in sufficient number of vadas that can be accommodated in the kadai, and deep fry them. And one tip to remember would be not to soak your dal for too long, because there is a possibility that if soaked for too long, they end up absorbing too much of oil. We would always want our vadas to be perfectly cooked from the inside and nice and crispy on the outside. So what we will do is fry it twice in the oil. So the first round of frying would be to cook all of the ingredients that is inside. So what we will do is, at a medium to low flame, fry it until we have a color similar to this, and then we will take it off the oil and fry it again at a high flame, so that we have a crispy outer coating of the vada. So I will now take these vadas off the oil when they are at this stage, because the inside is perfectly cooked now. So we can continue to cook the rest of our vadas to a same color like this. After you're done with the first round of frying at a medium to low flame, we can increase the flame and we will have to fry it quickly. So this will be like a quick frying at a high flame. So my oil is hot now, and I will start adding in the cooked vadas for the deep frying. Since these vadas are already cooked, we just want to fry it for about 10 to 15 seconds on each side. So just make sure to take it off quickly so that we do not burn our vadas and have a nice and crispy vada. So our vadas are now ready. I will take them off the oil. After our vadas took the second swim in the oil, they have become nice and crispy. So you can hear the crisp of the outer layer and also the soft vada inside. So this is our recipe for the paripu vada or the masala vada. So do try it at home and let us know what you feel about this recipe. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.